In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert old Excel files into newer Xlsx in Excel. If you have an older Excel file and want to update it to the newer Xlsx format, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Converting the file can help improve compatibility with newer versions of Excel, make it easier to share, and ensure you're using the more modern workbook format. To begin, open the old Excel file you want to convert. Once the file is open, go to the top left corner of the Excel window and click File. This will open the main file menu where you can access options for saving, printing, and managing your workbook. From there, click Save As. This option allows you to create a new version of the file in a different format, rather than just overwriting the original automatically. That can be useful if you want to keep the older version as a backup, while also creating an updated file. Next, choose the destination where you want the new file to be saved. You can select a folder on your computer, a recent location, or another place you normally use for storing documents. It's a good idea to pick a location that's easy to find later, especially if you're converting multiple files. After choosing the destination, look for the Save as Type drop-down menu. This is the setting that determines what file format Excel will use when saving the workbook. Click that drop-down so you can review the available options. Now make sure the selected file type is Excel Workbook. This is the standard Xlsx format used by modern versions of Microsoft Excel. If you see any other format selected, such as an older Excel format, simply change it to Excel Workbook before continuing. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Excel will then create the newer Xlsx version of your file in the location you selected. In some cases, Excel may display a message related to compatibility or formatting. If that happens, just review the message and continue with the save if you're ready to proceed. And that's it. Your old Excel file has now been converted into a newer Xlsx workbook. If you're working through a batch of older spreadsheets, you can repeat the same process for each one. Keeping files in the Xlsx format is a simple way to stay organized and avoid issues when opening documents in newer versions of Excel.